Check your, check
Hop,
backline.
top down ang sabi niya, no? Winter.
Ha? Ano?
Wala.
Oh, meron sa likod ah. Meron sa likod. Meron madami JD.
Defense ready. Engage yun as in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Kill lang.
Wait, down.
Nice.
Ito yung shaper, patay
Food. Spread. Defensive.
Kahit yung low, kahit yung low.
Keep bonking. Skull mark collar.
Ose na ba?
Osi tayo. Osi.
Heal the party.
Inasan ibang healer.
Maglulok yan, ha? Watch it, ha? Maglulok yan.
Go northwest.
Look.
Okay, defensive. Ready counter over the wall southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Kill this one.
Almost.
Ito ang mga
Kill the police. Kill the bug.
Kill the mobs. Sige lang, wala yan.
Close ball.
Boto.
Wait, careful. Defended.
Defend. No, stabilize. Go northwest nga. Go out nga.
Go out.
Go out. Stabilize. Ano yan? Ba't namatay kayo? Wala ba kayo giga? Wala kayo giga?
Soldier, ano?
Meron niya agad kung nahuli kayo.
Oh, may naka-dismount sa west ah. May naka-dismount.
Galang.
Let me call. Sino pa? Wait.
Counselor.
Go southwest.
Pwede mag-over the wall sila.
Oh, okay. Didikit sa partner. Daughter lang to.
Messi, ha?
Death tank, mount up na. Try to hold them. Hindi ko na need sabihin yan, death tank. Sino ba yung mga death tank natin? Tingnan mo tumatakbo. Running talaga. Death tank. Naku, namatay yung tatlo natin. Wala ba kaya, no?
Naging sa akin, ha?
Okay. Hold them. Engage status. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop on the crown. Nice. Keep rolling. Wipe them. Kill them all.
Ganda vlog pa.
Kill them all.
Uy, push
Kill them
na.
all, guys. Kill them all. Sige, follow them.
Follow them.
Tansa
Follow them.
Ayun
Follow them
yan.
next prime. Snare charge.
Wait lang, ano ko, mount up.
Here, northwest side. I'm here, northwest side. Defense ready?
Ready.
Ano, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Kill this two. Okay, kita na lang. Isa na lang.
Mantap.
Floater lang to. Loot. Kill them all.
Let the body.
Nadala si J-Lo.
Wala ka defensive jello? Like, giga?
Nakagiga ako doon.
Wala ba kayong ano?
Patay si Arcalis. Wala na tayo rootbound.
Naka-helmet nga ako eh.
Tinalanan ko na kayo din.
Tinayo nyo lang. Don't follow them.
Naka-helmet din ako doon.
Ano outlaw?
Regearing guys.
Huwag na.
Blop.
Ay, na-outlaw ako. Outlaw ba ito?
Follow me.
Messi ko ulit na.
Follow me. Northeast side of the castle. Northeast side of the castle.
Outlaw 3 seconds.
Get ready for defend, ah. Get ready nyo giga nyo, ah. Left tank.
May tail kayo ah. Nasa northwest.
Get ready for defend. Left tanks.
Okay.
Yes.
EGA ko na sa loob.
Wait.
Balik ako.
Wait for
Balik
others.
ulit.
Ready for defend, ah. Looking up the wall. Defensive. Ready counter southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Drop everything. Nice. Keep bonking. Careful, death tanks. Careful. Wait.
Looking.
Defend. Giga.
Nakapatay tayo.
Oh, no. Mamatay kayo. Stabilize. Wala ba kayo giga, guys? Keep bonking death tank. Nakapag-revive ba yung mga namatay?
31% dito.
Ay, talago na ako.
Sige lang, bok lang. Looking nga. Defensive. No, that's fake, that's fake. Pero nag-drop ng roll. Nag-drop ng roll. Keep walking, keep walking. 58%
Wala na
gate,
dito.
ha?
Wala na dito.
Sige lang. Bonk din natin to. Spread. Looking, defensive. Heal me. 38% from gate. Keep healing DPS. Healers, wala na tayong royal armor, Careful. Sabi sa inyo. Wait. Don't go in.
Agro muna yung mobs.
Kill the mobs.
Kill the mobs.
Ano?
Stabilize
Nice.
Ako.
Stabilize first. Looking. Up the wall sila.
Fake.
DPS ready. Engage. South is sa mobs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the mobs. Okay, go north. Stabilize north.
Hill front guys, hill front.
Stabilize north. Kill all the mobs. Agro all the mobs first. Reasonable sa mobs. Reasonable.
Ay po,
Over the wall sila.
Watch out, Loki.
Looking. Defense ready. And
Ready.
deep stop is in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Kill is 4.
Hindi na ako drop yung...
Okay, go north. Reasonable sa tank. Oh, no. Iniisip ko yung mana ni Chris.
Hindi, nakakatutay pa dito. Puno pa. Ay, may cow, thank you.
Halfway na ako ng dryland.
Heal draw ako. Reasonable. Get ready for defend, ha? Mag-over the wall sila. Mag-over the wall. Defend.
Nice.
Guys, walk in now. Walk in. Engage southwest in 5, 4, deep 3, 2, 1. Massive.
Ang layo, JD. Ang layo.
Na-hold yung dito.
Go back. Stabilize northeast side. Kill the mobs. Reasonable.
Looking.
Looking.
Nice.
Dropping Judy. Okay, nice.
Ready, yeah.
Go south. Ready, counter.
Yung GD.
Kill all the mobs. Ready? Engage your ass in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Kill all the mobs. Okay, go north now.
Wala kang mana, JD, Wala kang mana.
Go north. I need druid call. That tank, call them.
Looking yan, ha?
Wait lang, wala akong
Hill
Wala akong
front
mana.
guys, hill front.
Heal draw ako. Namatis draw ko, yari tayo. Asan si Jello, Hayok, Artalis?
SKR.
Ay, kasama kami. Kami na kami.
Careful lang. Huwag kayong mag-hug. DPS sub north east side of the wall. Okay, looking.
Hey, SKR.
DPS ready? Engage on us, south. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this one, tank. Contact. Just drop. Almost, nice. Go north. Stabilize north.
Hill Draco.
Kill draw ko, DPS.
Ay, kayo pag low, wag kayo mag-stay sa front.
Sniper, May sniper,
Bumalik na yung
Calm
taper.
Mark Shaper. Diamond Mark Caller. Enemy Caller.
Ingat
Enemy,
backline.
mag-over the wall sila. Guys, hug walls. Go northeast. Go northeast. Looking. Go northeast. Keep kiting northeast. Oo, keep kiting northwest now. Ganito, check the block now.
Draco. Saan ka na?
Mount up. We need to mount up. No DA tayo, kalaban yan. Pero hindi atin kung ano yun.
Happy day.
Ayun.
Nagbabank din.
Oo. Nakatinay sila.
Ryan,
Nakati.
tapang natin.
Ay, wait. Ganda ng craft natin dun kaso may mga nabigyan din sa atin.
Kaya po ba't pumutok sila dun?
Running na sila. Ay,
Ayun.
hindi dito. Siyempre kita ko kayo kung asan kayo. Anong tayo? Guys, hold lang dyan
Running ata initial engage. Ay,
Happy Day dismounted. Gusto niyo labanan to? 1v1v1? Guys,
Pwede.
Pwede.
ito. Position northwest. Gumo, nakatanto.
Makalaban din sila.
Enemy running. Initial engage running. Running yung nasa loob ng castle. Yung IE.
Diyan pa.
Sige, bonk natin south. Bonk natin southwest. 1v1v1v1.
Instant death sila dito.
Kanap yung ano. Hindi natin kanap yung isa. Kalaban din natin eh. Nag-dirt ako. Pa-scout ako.
Meron ba na?
Di ba natin need i-box sa Southeast JD para may tayo ma-advantage?
Hindi, pwede tayo lumabas doon. Hello, the mobs. Overall, the mobs.
Ah, okay.
Ipit na ata to sila.
Ipit talaga.
Oo nga, ipit nga IE. Ipit IE. Hello, the mobs first. Reasonable sa mobs. KW.
Happy Day, ano sa taas na?
KW. Enemy running ah. Catch natin to ah. Wait. Next doon, go southwest. Huwag nyo hug yung northeast side. Reasonable sa mobs.
Nakapasok na yung ano,
Reasonable the mobs.
nakapasok na yung happy
Kill
day,
all the mobs.
nakapasok na.
Sige lang, kill all the mobs.
Uy, saan kayo? Nandito si JD.
Ito.
Asan yung IE?
Baba.
Sa baba dito.
Basta? Asan that tank? Ano nga? Pakol.
Wait.
Asan IE?
Sa loob.
Sa baba.
Nasa loob, nasa loob.
Nagadab sila?
Oo, yun. Naipit sila. Bit na sila, ipit
Guys,
sila.
go
Kapakayan sila.
south, mga top. Reposition. Hindi ko kita. Wala nag-i-info. Saan ba yun? Hindi ko kita.
Nakaping na ata. Happy day. Parang nakaping yun ah. Tira.
Ang ganda sana. 1v1 lang.
Ay, broken na IE. Hindi natin to kaya.
Kaping na ata. Happy day.
Hindi kaya 1v1. Puro tier 9, tier 10 sila.
Oo.
Tier 9, tier 10. You need to out.
So, yung ganda sana ng lobby na.
Hindi kaya.
Kilala ko caller nila, si Mercy.
Bro, may ano dito.
Out.
Careful ah.
Party, go southeast. Go southeast.
Huwag nyo na patayin to. Mamatay lang kayo dyan. Dito yung happy day, oy.
Mag-off